Hello guys, it was beautiful outside today, just like in Mediterranean, so we decided to give a calamari a go. So here's our calamari. Sliced calamaris are skin split into rings. Flour mixed with cornstarch or even potato starch. The ratio would be flour 9 to starch 1. Don't forget to season the mix as well. Heat oil to about 200 degrees Celsius. And cut your ringed squids with powder mix. When the oil is hot, rub the calamaris. Meanwhile the squids are being fried, let's make some sauce. I used yogurt, lemon, dill and garlic. All you need to do is mince them and mix them. I only used 1 clove of garlic so it wouldn't overpower the sauce. And a touch of cayenne if you like heat. These pepper flakes and oregano are all optional, so it all depends on your taste.